What would happen if the moon crashed into Earth? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a thrilling topic. What would happen if the moon crashed into Earth? It might sound scary, but it's also incredibly fascinating. Let's get started. If the moon crashed into Earth, short answer, it would be the end of life as we know it. The collision would release an enormous amount of energy, leaving molten rock, debris, and dust for many years. But that's just the beginning. Let's dig into the details. Predicting the exact effects of such a collision is tough. The last time something big enough hit Earth, it wiped out 75% of life, including the dinosaurs. The moon is at least 8 million times bigger than the asteroid that caused that extinction. Can you imagine the scale of this catastrophe? Now, here's a surprising fact. The moon is actually falling towards Earth. It's been doing so since it formed about 4.5 billion years ago. This eerie truth was first discovered by Sir Isaac Newton in 1667. Newton showed that the motion of an apple falling from a tree is equivalent to the motion of the moon in Earth's orbit. Both are falling towards Earth's center. However, the moon's tangential speed keeps it in a loop around the planet. Part 4. Day by day breakdown. Day 1. Panic. The first to notice would be scientists at observatories around the world. Imagine them pinching themselves to make sure they're not dreaming. The news would spread rapidly, and within hours, almost the entire space community would join the panic. Next up would be world leaders. Picture having to inform the President of the United States that the moon is falling from the sky and will destroy us all. The average person wouldn't notice anything at this point. The moon in the night sky wouldn't appear alarming. Life would go on as usual, but not for long. Day 2, it's happening. Hey, doesn't the moon look bigger today? I don't know, Dad. I heard it's falling from the sky. You really need to put that phone down, son. Day 3, we're doomed. I'm not sure how people would react, but in big cities you can expect chaos and unrest with an increase in sirens. Hopefully you won't need emergency services as they'll be overwhelmed. If communication networks still function, now would be the time to call your loved ones. Expect traffic jams on highways as people rush to be with their families. Day 4, goodbye. With just over a day left to live, panic and fear will be widespread as more people come to terms with the grim reality. The moon will now cover more than half the sky, falling faster and faster. Perhaps hundreds of millions would have already died from floods, volcanism, panic, and violence, with more perishing by the minute. Day 5, the end. The good news is, it will be quick. The moon will crash into Earth at 10 kilometers per s, 22,000 miles per hour, sending a shockwave that will obliterate everything in its path. Adios, humankind. It's been a great run for about 2 million years. Conclusion. While this scenario isn't real, it reminds us of how vast and dangerous the universe can be. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating facts about science and space. See you next time.